Chief Minister Khemchand also met with internally displaced persons IDPs from the Meitei, Kuki, Mar and Paite communities and heard their grievances while also outlining the state government's resettlement plans. During the interaction held at New Alipur, affected families described the losses they have suffered during recent communal violence, including destroyed homes and disrupted livelihoods. Further, Chief Minister affirmed that the government has launched multiple schemes aimed at restoring victims to their original locations and rebuilding damaged houses. Speaking further, Chief Minister Khemchand resettlement initiatives include financial aid, reconstruction support and measures to ensure security and community rehabilitation.
loinamak pangning ngakani adubu mafam matam thabak achoba isidi thawra su madu tender process na tha ju changba mayam lai banina ada juda ai labri na haibu namjada bani loina kamuni disiloi sure thado inpigi dagi paiti gi sena usin lakpi ba kudimul si sati hanjendra gadi ekoi noai banu mo ekoi wakani haibu du gi waktasi Manipur ki district kudimakta i kwai ihana anba Jiri Praja, put on a power of it, saying Jiri Praja, I don't talk about the music. Adana, Madam, we are and Punama, no, I mean, Mating Pangse, by Anasum, Sozo Pina Vidana, as if community put by the Manipuki, Diasa, Ilan, talk about the Yana and Mani, I don't know, Kopsaka, I put on Putaka say.